Today we'll make scrambled eggs. Where am I gonna crack them, and how am I gonna put them in? Where am I gonna put them in anyways? Huh?
Crack them in there.
This?
Yes.
Right now? I'm gonna crack it and then put it in here.
Crack it.
I guess this is kind of really hard.
What?
Let me show you. No, don't do that.
What?
Watch. Hit it on a flat surface. Come on, let me do it. Hit it pretty hard like that. Now, put your fingers right there and break it. Oops. You spilled some. Here. Now do the next one. Hit it kind of hard and break it.
Okay. Oh, my hands are really slimy.
Do it. We'll wash them. Harder. A little bit harder. There you go. Don't push so hard. give me the egg.
What'd you do?
She did fine.
I have slimy hands now. Nasty.
Yeah.
No, that's fine. I'm doing this fine. Let's do this.
All right, that's good.
Can I lick it?
No, baby.
Okay.
Medium.
Put the stove on medium.
And twist. Keep twisting.
Ta-da! Now pour it. Pour it.
Okay. Nope. Wait. Let's wait.
To do what? Hey, you're not pouring that, are you? It's hot?
Not yet. Don't feel.
I touched it. Oops.
Well, if you tested it, definitely not hot.
It's not.
Yeah.
It's not even hot. It's getting hot. No, it smells gross. Smell it.
We're gonna move on this.
When the pan gets hot, add oil.
Now squirt a little bit of oil in it. Add.
Pick up the pan and move the oil. Now move it.
Yeah. Like this, watch. Watch, put it down. Here you go. Let it go all over. Okay, put it down.
I got this. You don't need to help me.
Yeah, I do.
No, you don't. Get away. Get away. Not in this video. Now pour it. Pour it now. Start mixing.
Yep. No, with the spatula.
Oh.
Watch. Be sure to scrape it all off the bottom.
Huh?
Scrape it all off the bottom. That's done. Pour it in the plate. Pick up the pot.
Okay. Pick up the pot.
And pour it in the plate.
I'm not done, guys.
Alright.
It's off.
Move the spatula. There you go. All right.
Now I can eat it. Yay! I did good. I did so much good. I love my voice.
Salt and pepper.
When it comes out of the pot, add salt and pepper. Add a pinch of salt.
That's it. That's enough.
You may be allowed to eat that now. What is that, yes?
Hold on. We're gonna see.
If you want to watch me cook again, please subscribe.